Hi, I'm Nat Noon, founder and CEO of Wave Soda, and today I'm also the delivery guy. The revolution in soda is definitely happening, and the new wave is rolling in. I worked at a top beverage company for years. Developed a pretty awful soda addiction, drinking about 10 to 12 Diet Cokes a day, and I knew that wasn't good for me. But I liked the bubbles, and I wanted a little bit of caffeine too. And all the bland sparkling waters that I was trying, they just weren't doing it. So I saw there was a real void in the market, and so I decided to make my own. So we experimented a bunch, and we ended up with Wave Soda. And one of our biggest secrets isn't even a secret. All of our ingredients are listed right here on the side of the can. 85% soda water, 15% fruit juice, and then 42 milligrams of caffeine. Best part about it is that people love it. It's super refreshing, and it's what I call lightly caffeinated. I was inspired by the lifestyle, energy, and passion that you find down here in San Diego. So Wave Soda felt like a natural extension of that spirit. We're here doing something we love, creating a healthier alternative for people that love soda.